Do you want to know that why is the video icon is pulsing in Messenger? Then you have come to the right video, because in this video I will show you why. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. Okay, so on Facebook Messenger here, when we actually like message someone, or we are chatting with someone, and we and that person specifically are both online simultaneously, and we are messaging with each other, then the Facebook Messenger actually gives us a kind of a hint that we should do a video call. Okay, right now this person is online and I am also online, but we are not like chatting with each other. But if we start chat with each other, and then after some time, you will see that this video icon here will start pulsing. So Facebook Messenger actually gives us the hint to, instead of talking on the chat, you can actually get on the video call here. Okay, so that is why the video icon starts pulsing on Facebook Messenger. So we hope that you enjoyed our video today, and you can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video, you can ask us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you have a fantastic day.